This is the location of one of the rider was taken place, village, farmland of 10 acres. Set up solar setup for water. And all around you see small hills, a small hut, and you can listen to the beautiful peacock sound. Right, all set up. You can do a night camp, get your things, have your tent set up. Here you can set it up, or inside the hut you can set it up. There's no issue. Fully fenced. No issue of any animals coming in. Beautiful location. That's his car. Work is in progress for plantation. Here is the hut. So they have cooking setup. There you have the stove. You have tents on top hung up. There you have inside the box all these stoves, small stoves and utensils. Beautiful place.